Hi dear friends, welcome to the 24th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. First one, TCS applicable to 10-2 leaves is A 1%, B 2%, C 2.5% and D 5%. Option D 5%. Second one, advance payment of tax is also referred as A pay when you earn scheme, B pay as you earn scheme, C earn and pay scheme, D pay on current income scheme. Option B pay as you earn scheme. Third one, an assessee shall pay advance tax if amount of tax payable by him during that year is not less than A rupees 10,000, B rupees 50,000, C rupees 1 lakh, D rupees 2 lakh 50,000. Option A rupees 10,000. Fourth one, income tax return acknowledgement is given in the form A ITR 1, B ITR 3, C ITR 4 and D ITR V. Option D ITR V. Fifth one, an assessee has to pay not less than dash of advance tax on or before 15th June. A 12%, B 15%, C 30%, D 45%. Option B 15%. Sixth one, rate of TDS on payment under specified agreement to a resident under section 194 IC is A 2%, B 5%, C 10% and D 20%. Option C 10%. Seventh one, TDS on income by way of interest on securities if it exceeds rupees 5,000 in previous year. A 10%, B 15%, C 20% and D nil. Option A 10%. Eighth one, standard deduction allowed under section 16 subclause 1A for assessment year 2020-21 is A up to rupees 10,000, B up to rupees 15,000, C up to rupees 40,000, D up to rupees 50,000. Option D up to rupees 50,000. Ninth one, section 91 deals with A unilateral relief, B double taxation avoidance, C double taxation relief and D bilateral relief. Option A unilateral relief. 10th one, bilateral double taxation relief is granted as per A section 90, B section 91, C section 92, D section 98. Option A section 90. Thank you for watching this video.